fourth graders, how are you? It's our first day of distance learning. I'm in the classroom right now, and as you can see, I've got mittens on because it's super cold in here. So hopefully you are staying nice and warm at home and had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Today we're just gonna do a few quick review things. What you're gonna need is your vocab journal, the one that has the vocab in the middle. So if you could go and get that, stop the video until you have it, and open up to the page that has reward, graduate, symbol, and foster at the top. And then you also need your Right Dog for the Job packet. So I need you guys to go and get those two things, and then we're gonna get started, okay? All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna review our words from the last time that we were together, which seems like forever ago. Let me get it straight. That's not working. How about that? Okay, so we're gonna review our words. Reward is to give a person something they have earned. Graduate is to finish school or training. Symbol is a sign that stands for something. Foster means cared for by an adult for a short time. Disobey, not do what you're told or ignore. Confidence, feeling sure about your abilities. Confesses, to admit something. Ceremony, a special event to celebrate. Performs means to act or do. And patiently means to wait calmly. Okay, you can go ahead and put that aside. And then I want you to open to page 5 of your Right Dog for the Job packet. And stop the video until you get to page 5. Don't let me keep going if you're not there yet. So turn to page 5 and then hit the video. Okay. All right, so we're gonna do these together. He attended the wedding blank of his older sister. What do you think? Ceremony. And then cross off ceremony. I blank that I'm the one who broke the window. Confess. I confess. I broke the window. A white dove is a blank of peace. Symbol. Yep. My older brother will blank from high school next year. Graduate. Maya is still close with her blank parents, the couple who raised her who aren't her relatives. Foster. Good. Are you saying these out loud? Trying to guess them before I say them? It would be very dangerous to blank a traffic light. Disobey, ignore, for sure. That would not be a good choice. It takes a great deal of blank or trust in yourself to pilot an airplane. Confidence. Yep. I definitely do not have that. I do not want to be in charge of flying a plane. All right, so we have patiently, perform, and reward left. It was difficult for her to blank in the school play because she wasn't feeling well. What do you think? Perform. Patiently and reward are our last two. We all stood in line and waited blank for the door to open. Yep, patiently. And our teacher will blank the class for our hard work by letting us have an extra recess. Reward. And I can't wait for you guys to get back so we can have recess together. All right, so we just went through our vocabulary words together today. Your homework is to do page 9. It looks like this. It has a 9 at the bottom. So it's exactly the words that we just talked about. So I want you to do page 9, fill in all the blanks, and then when you're done, I want you to take a picture of it and submit it to the reading assignment in the Tuesday folder, okay? So again, page 9, take a picture of it and upload it to the assignment in Schoology. All right, we'll see you again soon.